Hi, Space Village. Today we'll be looking at the moon temperature variation. And this is a fascinating topic because, and you'll see on the charts, we have moon, the Earth, and Mars. And I do enjoy the Artemis project. It's a private project on placing things on the moon. Um, it's really impressive. They do have these in Fahrenheit and centigrades. I'll focus on centigrades. The mean on Earth is, as you can see, the 18 degrees. Okay, on the Antarctica South Pole Station, you've got these as again centigrades around the minus 45, minus 50. But on the Moon, the average temperature is minus 20. Now, what's really important in here is the swing from minus 140 Celsius to 100 Celsius. And of course, Mars. I would say Mars is like probably in the overall, in the swing, overall the same as Earth, but the mean is really lower. So, how is this important for our moon project? Well, it's important because I'm designing equipment that needs to be able sometimes to be between minus 140 to 100. And just think about an area of the vehicle that during a certain time is at 100 and then 1 hour later, and you can see that because the the overall exposure of sun and the moon changes. um, Imagine being at 100 and then 1 hour later at minus 140. So there is a huge gradient of change that the materials need to be able to sustain. Now, the thinking for this is that, and this comes from a conversation that I had with Dr. Murakami. Gjoko Murakami. Man, we were talking about how do we design things. And in this case, do we design for the extreme user that doesn't exist, or do we design for someone that exists? This is a very particular case where an extreme user does exist and it has a huge amplitude. So when you go back to your projects, who's the customer? Is it the extreme one, or is it the extreme one that does go into many directions possible? That's such an interesting thing because the solution space for this, it's absolutely different from being what people say, oh, narrow down the criteria. On the moon, you cannot narrow down the criteria. You need to match the conditions. Enjoy the day.